Are you looking forward to customize your character on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily customize your Talkie AI. First thing first, head over to your application Talkie AI. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to head over to your profile. Once you're inside your profile, move into the character that you have developed and that you want to edit. Once you're inside the conversation, tap on their profile at the very top of the screen. Now in this page, you have to click on this edit icon. It will land you on the page where you can customize your character. From the very start, you can change the voice of Talkie AI, change background music, remove the name and replace it with another one. And then you can change the settings, introduction and also opening from here. Simply remove the one that you have entered before and then replace it with another one. Also, you can use advanced settings as well. From here, you can choose different model, change the mode, dialogue style, and many more. Set the settings according to your need and then customize it. Once done, click on Submit at the bottom of the screen. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.